So this year, I was lucky enough to attend Lollapalooza for the second time. The very first day, I ended up getting lost and I was apart from my friends for the whole afternoon. It was pretty scary. In a crowd of over 100,000 others, I'd never felt so scared and insignificant against all the different people around me. To my surprise, random strangers offered me their portable chargers, they danced with me at concerts, and I even got to exchange some Snapchats and phone numbers. Sometimes it can easily feel like you're completely lost in the sea of everyone else, but you are significant. People will notice you, whether it be your friends or complete strangers. Walking by myself, I was able to truly appreciate how different every single person was that I saw. We are all unique, and that makes us all equally important. While not everyone is kind in this world, a vast majority of us are. So if you ever feel lost or friendless, you're not. I will tell you firsthand that even complete strangers will care and pay attention to you. I was lucky enough to hang out with my close friends for the rest of Lolla, but I had a new perspective. I helped someone else who was lost. I was kinder to those around me. I even met up with some of my new friends from the first day. We all feel really, really alone sometimes, but we're not.